Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best 4K drones, perfect for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial shots and explore the skies. These drones are compact, versatile, and packed with advanced features to make flying an incredible experience. As always, the product links are in the description below for you to check out. This list was created based on reviews, ratings, features, durability, and overall value. So let's see what makes these drones stand out. Number 5. The DJI NEO 4K drone is an amazing lightweight option weighing just 135 grams, making it ultra portable for travelers and hobbyists. This drone is equipped with a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring silky smooth 4K video recording that captures every detail with precision. The 18-minute flight time is perfect for quick yet creative sessions, while its built-in GPS enhances navigation for stable flights even in challenging environments. It offers app support in multiple languages, catering to a global audience, and allows you to control it with a remote, app, or Wi-Fi connection. With advanced gimbal image stabilization and seamless control channels, this drone ensures professional-level shots without the hassle. Number 4, we have the JCMO L200 Pro Max 4K drone, which boasts a robust design and an extended flight time of up to 30 minutes. Weighing just 260 grams, it is equipped with brushless motors for efficient performance and smooth flights, making it ideal for both beginners and intermediate flyers. With a remote control range of up to 3 kilometers, it offers excellent coverage for wide area exploration and aerial photography. Its foldable design allows for easy storage and portability, while its 2-axis gimbal ensures steady video quality, perfect for capturing high-resolution images. The drone also comes with multiple flight batteries, allowing for extended flying sessions, and includes app-controlled features for added convenience. Number 3. The SALMOPH F22 S2 Pro Plus 4K drone is packed with features designed for those looking to take their aerial photography to the next level. With a dual stabilization system combining gimbal and electronic stabilization, it ensures perfectly steady 4K footage, even in windy conditions. It features 50x optical zoom and 16 megapixel resolution, making it ideal for capturing detailed shots from great distances. The 600 grams drone is built with GPS and GLONASS dual mode navigation, providing precise positioning for smooth, controlled flights. It supports 64 gigabytes onboard storage, ensuring you have ample space for all your recordings. Its sensing system adds an extra layer of safety during flights, while the 35500 mAh battery delivers reliable power for longer shooting sessions. Number 2, the Xiaomi Mijia V1998 4K drone combines innovation and style to deliver an impressive flying experience. This foldable quadcopter is equipped with a brushless motor and 5G Wi-Fi for smooth, lag-free connections, making it a favorite among tech enthusiasts. Its camera options range from 4K to 8K HD, ensuring you can capture cinematic quality shots from any angle. With a flight time of up to 30 minutes, you can explore wide terrains and capture breathtaking aerial views with ease. GPS positioning provides accurate navigation, while features like orbit mode, waypoint mode, and altitude hold allow for creative and dynamic footage. Its durable build and engineering plastic construction make it lightweight yet sturdy. Finally, the FIMI Mini 3 4K drone takes the top spot on our list with its superior design and incredible performance. Weighing just 249 grams, it is ultra lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for adventurers on the move. This drone can withstand wind speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour, ensuring stable flights even in challenging conditions. With a 48 megapixel camera and 4K resolution, you'll capture stunningly detailed videos and photos. Its 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz operating frequencies ensure strong signal connectivity, while the GPS feature enhances flight precision. The drone's removable battery offers convenient swapping during longer sessions, and its gimbal stabilization guarantees smooth, professional footage. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations.